I made moving eyes for the jack-o'-lantern this year. The eye inserts are 3D printed cylinders, so I could use a hole saw to make the holes. Let's look inside. You can see the servo motor and linkage. I'll show it running after. All the 3D parts were modeled in Fusion. This is one of the eye inserts. The other is exactly the same, except for there's only one servo motor that drives both of them. It was kind of last minute, so I didn't have a chance to do anything more interesting with the eye motions. It has a kind of lazy eye. Oh, it stopped. I guess I should have screwed on the servo motor horn. A short time later. Let's take another look inside. Here's the servo in action. It's run by an Arduino, which is protected in plastic wrap. Let's see it outside. The weather's really bad this year for Halloween. I think we only got 15 kids. I saw one look at it for a few seconds. It's a little scary.